Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohit Ranade. I am a consultant gynec cancer surgeon at the Narayana Health City, Bangalore. As you are all well aware, COVID-19 is one of the most difficult crisis situation which is affecting not only our country but the entire world. The cases are increasing in our country, and you know what has happened in the world, including most of the developed nations. Now, as a healthcare professional and as somebody who's working in the field of oncology, we see these patients from very close quarters. A few important information, especially for our cancer patients, of regarding what care they can take in this present COVID crisis. As you know, most of our patients who are already diagnosed cases of cancers, they are on multiple modes of treatment. Some might have undergone surgery, some might be undergoing radiation therapy, some might be undergoing chemotherapy. Now, per se, treatment of cancer reduces the immunity of an individual, and naturally all these patients are susceptible to COVID infections. Now, there is a common question which comes to everybody's mind. If you have any symptoms or signs which might be subjective of or which might be suspicious of a cancer, should you delay coming to the hospital? The answer is no. There is a general perception that since there are patients in a hospital, coming to the hospital is very risky. But to tell you, if you delay your treatment for cancer or a suspected cancer, there is more chance that your cancer can increase and the stage can be advanced, and this might compromise your outcomes. So one should not delay coming to the hospital, especially if somebody has signs or symptoms which might be suggestive of a cancer. As you know, cancer is a semi-urgent condition and it should be treated. Now, what are the general precautions which somebody should take while one is on treatment for cancer? First of all, follow the general principles like social distancing, wear a mask always when you're going outside, try to isolate yourself in the house and try to come in contact with minimum people as far as possible, eat healthy food, try not going out as far as possible, especially when you are just after a surgery or you are on radiation treatments or you are on your chemotherapy. Try to eat a healthy diet, include foodstuffs in your diet which will improve your immunity. Also, one must pay attention to one's mental well-being as well. Try relaxation exercises, meditations, or doing whatever things gives you more comfort. It may be listening to songs or it may be reading. Try doing that. Also, it is recommended that patients who are on treatment should avoid traveling as far as possible. Overall, you should cut down your exposure to other people as far as possible. But remember that one should not delay one's surgery, radiation treatment, or chemotherapy. We are all there at the hospitals to help you to come out of this and so that you can go back and lead a much better life. Thank you.